Good morning. I wanted to give a quick golf course renovation update as well as answer some questions that I've been receiving over the last couple days. First, I want to show you what I think is one of the best sunsets ever here at the club. Now, some might say it's this one, which is a picture I took a few years back during the winter time, and it's a beautiful winter sky. But in my opinion, this is the best sunset ever here at the club. And the reason why is it's last night, and as you can see, it's right down on number 11. They have started that work, something we've been waiting for a long time, and I'm really excited to see that green complex take shape. First question I've been getting is, why would you aerate 5 greens right now, just before we shut down, just as we're finishing up play? It all comes down to which 5 greens those are. Those are the ones in the floodway, the ones we'll do the full construction on next year, but we want you to be able to play on Bermuda once we open back up in September, and so we're doing a process called no-till. To do this, rather than strip away all the grass and put new sand down, we use the existing organic layer and put the Bermuda directly on top of it. But we have to prepare that by having several aerifications, a big one like Chris just did. He'll do one more. We'll do some verticutting, spray the greens out and kill off all the bent grass, and then put down the Bermuda right on top of that. But it did require us to start that process right now. Another question I'm getting is, why would you resod tees now? It all comes down to being able to take advantage of the green complexes that are about to be ripped up by NMP. We have a lot of good zoysia grass around those greens. As you can see, this is the back of 18, and Chris has stripped away a lot of areas behind that green. They then have to go in and immediately put that sod down, as they are here on number 1 this morning, resulting in a beautiful new zoysia tee. We have a lot of tees that have been really beaten up this winter by a lot of the play, and Chris is doing a great job taking advantage of that zoysia grass we have to give you excellent new playing conditions. The last question I've been getting is, when will we know about play past the 29th? We're working on that right now. It'll probably be sometime this weekend when we will find out, but it all comes down to NMP's schedule, how quickly they can get some of these other green complexes prepped and ready for sprigging, and we are completely relying upon them to give us that answer, as we cannot slow them down. But I should have an answer for you sometime this weekend. Hope this has answered your questions. If you have any others, please don't hesitate to let me know. Have a great weekend. Look forward to seeing you soon.